Bona, please come help me buy fuel. How much fuel? Take this money, help me buy fuel. And 95 day there, take 500.
Boss.
No worry, fast, I beg, I want you down. Don't waste time, oh.
Hey, Shaibu, I beg, I just see like 300 behind. I want it.
I want feel fuel.
Jesus! You want 50?
9,000.
Hey! 9,000. Bring her.
Full and well, oh.
Yes, I dey feel am well.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me dey.
Okay, they count.
Yes, it counts. You don't even reach 10 liters.
Hey! 10 liter?
I swear.
You will prosper.
Amen.
Full and well.
God. But I like 5 days.
Give me 500. You want scam me?
No, now.
You want scam
Why
me?
go scam me?
Bad boy.
Oh, yeah, now they go.
Jesus!
Something. Jesus.
You can wish.
Any man that is mature to marry and is keeping somebody's daughter, in the mighty name of Jesus, I burn your head. I put fire. You will not be able to sleep until you vomit all the rice and turkey you have eaten. Marry her by fire. Marry her by fire. Marry her by fire. By thunder. By fire.
What be this? What be this?
You are your parents' only hope. I don't know who is Hope.
I'm Hope.
Your Hope. Wait. This is the reason why your parents named you Hope. It's because they lost like 2 kids. And you are the last born before you. And now it's like everywhere you go, yeah, in South Africa, your nickname is Baby.
Baby, exactly.
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.
You joking?
God up.
Little girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning. What's the name?
Grace.
Grace. What are you doing?
I'm doing my assignment.
Is it fraction?
This man.
Don't give that brother. Don't give that brother. My brother, I do my assignment and I score 0. It's not the food that be doing rubbish. But not my daddy and that's me know.
What be this? What be this? Jesus. Hey, Jesus.
What is that? Caliboy is our mumu don't too much. Caliboy na ya mumu na too much. Think say they want.
Hey! Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Sonyo Nyame is coming up.
What is happening here?
What on, ma?
And who are you? The rest.
God up.
When I was on my own, and this brother said, let's do for me my assignment. Not for my rice, I will even my
Sonyo Nyame is coming on stage.
Oh no, it is very shameful for you to accept that.
For what? Was tiny 2.5.
Man, baby. This beans fresh. Well.
I know say na Gary you want buy. I say you no go owe me today.
I bet I hold my money, Joe. Give me Gary 15 naira. Get my money.
Madam Toto, good afternoon. No vex, I beg. I come back from work late yesterday. No wahala.
Thank you, well done.
Are you mad? Take your money.
Go and make money.
This marriage go also. Don't tell her that.
I will follow you to go and see those small girls you've been cheating on me with. This your work will be saying for only afternoon you never get chance. Madam, I don't mind your business. No vessels.
You are a small girl, but you are very dangerous.
Omo, I won't focus. I'm not gonna look this guy in the ash.
Okay.
This guy won't focus. I want problems always.
I'm not gonna look. Focus.
Yeah, man. You have to look in Yash. Look in Yash. Why God create him? Look in Yash.
The blood of Jesus.
They don't break your ego.
Eneka, you will not get shishi for your account. They break my head. You go pay. Hold on there.
Omo, see wahala. What I would do now?
That money go pay. See this one.
I performance with that.
Pay the money. Blood of Jesus.
Hey, Uchimo.
What
Wait till it. Milk. I dey go.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I beg. Come on my shop. Get up, brother. Come on my shop. You want contact in front of my shop because of A.
You know why?
Come on here.
Take away me this thing.
What's it with that?
I know what you do for Dale.
You are bad guy.
Boss again, why?
Mama.
Now, good morning.
No, if I
If I don't give you the money yesterday,
Mama, yẹn ti lọ láti jọ mẹ́ta bá ń sí.
No money, no market.
Ẹ fún wa ló. Give us money. Yesterday
No
money
money,
be that.
I beg. I no get money.
Give us money. I go yesterday money now. Give us money.
The J Mara.
Mama, step aside. Hold for me. Young man, you all should allow this poor woman breath. Do not suffocate her. Yes.
Shut up! Talking master for Nigeria.
Wait.
General, catch.
My guy go put on for shit. Who shot this shit? I go say no me put on for this shit. If I forgive myself.
Out of me and you, one go take ground. Dead body go surplus.
Why they shout? Why they shout? You know they shit. What's the worry?
Hey!
Which kind nonsense? Okay, you know that nonsense. When you put up my own tool, I'm not able to do shit. I mean, I can't die. Me will put up for the shit. You boom hand. Bullshit. Who said you? CIA, FBI, UARO. I know they shout eye for me because me I know they talk anything for here. Because dishes get dishes. Hello, dishwasher. Now snitches get bitches. Oniru bitch. Now bitches get issues. Shut up there! Sparrow. Raise him up. We protect me. Oh, God. Who sent you? Who sent you? Not my phone be that. Don't be your phone be this. I don't know how they do this. Bumbucker! Nah, gift of God. I don't even understand. I don't talk as that these people can walk like you go kill. Who can't get this phone? No, not be here. Take collect this one. Raise him up!
We must learn a lesson.
Yeah! Why that? What have I done?
Everything sharp.
45.
You sure?
Yes.
Come on.
You will know.
Side eye.
I want 5 with the gauge 1 tire now.
Wait, you don't know me?
Who be you?
Not the SK get the shop.
Now SK get the shop. Now me dey, now me dey pump tire. You know
This guy don't know. See, if SK even knows how to give you this money, he go vex for me. If even sack yourself.
Ah, come on, that's for you. I say you don't want pay me.
This guy.
SK.
SK.
One man dey here, pump tire for now.
Side eye.
You
say what?
say na your friend, say na long tell JC second.
Stop that talk. Now buy me shit for me. Who be that? My guy! How far now? Are you be the guy? see this your boy. Oh. He gave my tire for me. I give him money. Tell me say, you know, collect the money. Let me let her know say, if you know who I be, who me and SK be. See, say that you even stack her for this money when reject.
How you get this car?
Let me get her. I wait to go on.
Don't buy. You can wish. That's a big thing.
You can wish. Thanks, bro.
Ajodo. Now my guy, you don't follow and settle.
I may pay me my money.
I beg take it easy with him. I dey do something for that side. I dey arrange tire. Settle am now, your boy. Ajodo.
Let's get you come now.
You never settle this thing. You never get jam.
I don't get jam.
Settle am now, your boy now.
In reality, I dey give him money say no collect now.
How much you give him?
900 naira now. What way do no plenty now?
No, nah. In a Johnny man, if union see and saying collect 100 naira, they fit arrest him. They go arrest him. Man, do that side go. Why you not come and say you want to put tire? No be me dey on position. Now only workshop I get in a Johnny man, don't free. You never tell us say you don't free.
Let me tell her more.
Oh. So because I come your shop now, as my guy, man where I be, my friend, you understand? Now you realize that you don't know me, Abi. You realize that you don't know me, Abi.
You dey patronize me with 100 naira. They dey patronize person with 100 naira. Let me pump your tire. You dey do like say na me dey do bad. Let me pump tire for you. You be my friend. If I pump tire, I go fit say carry go. Don't be me pump tire. Now Johnny man pump tire. This boy don't let work for 8 years. They not carry money go house. I beg come out from my front. If you not go fit pay you, less tire. Oh, less. Give me less tire. You go less now. Make them not less. Make them leave and make you drive. Oh, no be before they take pump man. I beg less. Come. Hey. Don't worry. I go pay you, don't worry. I better give her the company account. They stress me. I dey do something before. SK, but what I go tell you, since I don't buy car, we rise by little others. Like this, if I rise, you may die. Jesus!